In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Fusion 360 drawing as PDF. If you need to share a drawing with a teammate, send it to a client, or archive a snapshot for documentation, exporting a PDF is the cleanest and most universal way to do it. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and point out a few helpful tips along the way so your output looks exactly the way you expect. First, open your drawing in Fusion 360. Make sure you're in the drawing environment, not the 3D design workspace, and that the sheet you want to export is visible. Take a quick moment to review your title block, borders, views, dimensions, and annotations. If you're using multiple sheets, confirm the correct sheet is active. This is a good time to verify scale, view clarity, and that nothing is overlapping or off the printable area, since what you see here is what you'll get in the PDF. Next, go to the File menu. Depending on your version, you'll choose Export and then PDF, or you may see Save as PDF directly in the File menu. Both options get you to the same result. If the PDF option appears grayed out, double check that a drawing sheet is active and not a 3D model tab. Keep your cursor on the drawing before opening the menu to ensure Fusion recognizes the correct context. When the Save dialog appears, choose the location where you want the file to go. Pick a folder you'll remember, like a project folder or a shared directory. Give the file a clear, searchable name such as project identifier, part or assembly name, and revision or date. Depending on your setup, you may see options to choose the sheet range, like active sheet or all sheets, as well as settings for line weights, colors, or output quality. Select the options that match how you want the PDF to appear. If you plan to print, match orientation and paper size to your drawing sheet. If file size matters, opt for a reasonable quality level rather than the maximum. Once everything is set, click Save or Export. Fusion 360 will generate the PDF and place it in the location you chose. The process is typically quick, but larger drawings or multiple sheets can take a moment. After it's done, your PDF is ready to share, print, or archive. If you notice anything that needs tweaking, like line thickness, view clarity, or sheet selection, return to your drawing, make the adjustment, and export again using the same steps. That's all there is to it. Open your drawing, use the File menu to export to PDF, choose a destination and name, and click Save. With these tips, you'll get a clean, reliable PDF every time.